Happy Sunday, y'all. Today we're going to be swatching some dips by Diva Dips with K. Thank you so much, Kristen, for sending me these to swatch and review. Alright, let's get everything pulled out and ready to swatch. Ignore the jar that is different. That is because it came in a little baggie as a sample and I wanted it to be in a jar with all its friends. This first color is called Spring Air and it's a white base with teal and pink foils. This one is super pretty and super springy, as the name implies. It gives me like the same vibes that a sundress gives me. This next color is called Teal Drop. I specifically asked Kristen to send me a solid that she thought would go well with Spring Air, and she did not disappoint. This is probably my favorite teal solid that I own at this point. Okay, this is the one I was most excited about in this little grouping. This one is called Twilight Zone, and it is a dark gray with a bunch of like color shifting flakies throughout it, and it's a thermal that turns light pink. I will have a clip of that at the end, so don't miss that. This one is called Colors Collide, and it's kind of a dark navy bluish base with a bunch of rainbow color shifting flakes throughout it. Sorry, I went a little out of frame here, as per usual, but I'm just putting some activator on these, and then I'm going to put some top coat on it, so it's about time for me to give you my review of this brand. These dips were beautiful, they were easy to work with, the shipping was very fast. Kristen is super responsive and super helpful, and I would recommend this brand. When I'm recording this, she did just have a baby. Congratulations. So I'm not sure where she's at on processing time right now, but I'm pretty certain the shop is still open. As usual, everything will be listed in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. If you want to follow me over on Instagram, I am at creepybitty_nails. Hope you guys have an amazing week, and don't forget to stick around for the swatches. Bye! Guys, seriously, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I love her. And this video doesn't do justice to the color shifting flakes, but just trust me, she's gorgeous. Bye!